Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 7, insert text to a new slide. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, so we can have it all the way around to the dock. Now let's go to Finder. Go to Documents, navigate to the folder that contains the PowerPoint presentation in, which is the folder called PowerPoint. Open up work.pbtx. Let's just wait for that to load. Let's just increase the size of the PowerPoint window. And so we have a new slide inserted to the presentation. Now, let's go to the top where it says click to add title. Let's just click on this. Let's type Computer Science Videos. Command S to save, and that's how you insert text to your new slide within the PowerPoint presentation on a Mac computer. So we can now quit PowerPoint, quit Finder, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.